The not registered on network error means your US mobile device, whether Android or iOS, can't connect to your carrier for calls, texts, and data. This usually involves SIM card issues, both physical and eSIM, incorrect APN settings, or problems with your carrier's configuration. As of September 2025, eSIM activation failures and 5G network transitions are frequent causes. Let's break down the core components. Your SIM card identifies you on the network. Ensure it's unlocked and not expired. They typically last 10 years. APN settings are the gateway for data. Incorrect settings block registration. Each carrier has unique APNs. Verizon uses V's Winternet, AT uses Phone, and T-Mobile uses fast.tmobile.com. A carrier reset forces your device to re-register. On Android, find it under Settings, Network and Internet, Reset. On iOS, check Carrier Settings or Hard Reset with Power plus Volume down. The error can also stem from IMEI mismatches or baseband firmware bugs. Start troubleshooting with these steps. First, check your SIM card. For physical SIMs, ensure proper insertion and no damage. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Verify your APN settings. Go to Settings, Network, Access Point Names, and ensure they match your carrier's settings. If incorrect, manually enter the correct APN. Perform a carrier reset. Find the reset option in your phone's settings, as explained before. If these steps fail, try updating your phone's software to the latest version. As a last resort, contact your carrier for support. Many carrier apps like My Verizon or AT&T have built-in diagnostics and even AI chatbots that can automatically fix APN and registration issues. Remember that AI-powered tools are increasingly helping users self-resolve these problems. If problems persist, you may need to contact the carrier to avoid hardware damage.